How's Chelsea? Hi, baby. Really? Good morning. These are my favorite jammies on you. So easy to change you. Yeah. How you doing? Oh. Are you gonna get upset? Uh-oh. No, we don't want you to get upset. We want you to talk to me. Okay. Let's say bye-bye. Bye-bye.